In this video, we'll go over the steps for installing a microwave hood combo. The first thing you'll want to do in preparation for this install is set out a blanket for your tools to prevent damage. You'll also want to remove all the knobs from the range below to prevent any accidental lighting of the burners. Next, open the box and remove all the contents, including the plate, filters, and screws. Then, remove the microwave from the box. You'll need to remove 2 screws to release the back mounting bracket. Place the mounting bracket on the wall flush to the bottom of the cabinet edge. Make sure it's centered. Mark the holes you intend to use. Your options for securing the bracket are butterfly anchors, wall anchors, or attached to a stud if one can be located. The micro hood venting must now be prepared. It can either vent back or up, or recirculate by venting forward, which is what we'll show here because there is no outside vent source. Also, we must install the charcoal filter provided by the manufacturer on the front of the micro hood under this easy-to-remove trim piece. Using the provided template, check where the holes to drill will go to secure the top of the micro hood to the bottom of the cabinet. Make sure to double check your measurements with a tape measure. Also, you may need to drill a hole for the electric cord. You'll want to use a 5/8 inch bit for the screws and a 1.5 inch bit for the cord. Be sure to drill up until the bit tip sticks out and then drill down to prevent too much splintering. Pick up the micro hood with the cord draped over the front. Angle the back of the micro hood up and place it on the bracket. This will allow you to hold the appliance with one hand. Pull the electric cord all the way through. Then, push up and start the screws by hand to their halfway point. Use your drill to tighten them the rest of the way. The last step is to plug in the electric cord and make sure all the filters are installed.